Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my soleh-solehat students? May Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. Hi, welcome back with Ustazah Rani, and it means we are going to learn about mathematics again. But before, let's take a pray first. Wahid isnain salasa. Rabbi sidani ilman warzukani fahman wa'allimni bisolihin. Amin. Okay, Ananda soleh-solehat. Today we are going to continue about our topics in lines. Last meeting, you already learned about perpendicular line, which is perpendicular line is two lines that form made right angle, or perpendicular line is the two lines that made 90 degrees, so that it's called perpendicular line. Now we are going to continue it about parallel lines. How is it parallel lines looks like? Now, for example, but before, I want to tell you the learning objectives. So today, the learning objectives is students will be able to identify parallel line. So you have to know how is it parallel line looks like.
Let's look at these sets of lines. AB and CD are always 3 square units apart. They will never meet. We say that they are parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines that will not meet, no matter how long they are drawn. The distance between them is always the same. Here are some examples of parallel lines found on objects around us. We can find parallel lines on things around us. What about the second set of lines? Point E is 1 unit square away from point G. Point F is 3 unit squares away from point H. The distance between the lines is not the same. So these two lines are not parallel lines. Here are some more sets of lines. JK is always 4 unit squares from LM. We say that JK is parallel to LM. We write it as JK is parallel to LM. What about these two lines? If we extend the lines this way, we see that they meet at point T. Therefore, the distance between PQ and RS is not always the same. So, PQ is not parallel to RS. Let's draw parallel lines together. We can use a ruler and grid paper to draw parallel lines. We can draw a pair of parallel lines from left to right, like this. We can also use a ruler to draw parallel lines straight down, this way.
Okay, so this is the example of the thing around us that including parallel line, like a ruler, upside and downside. It is parallel lines. You can see it in the aquarium. This side and this side, upside and the downside, it is also parallel line. The red one, you can see the red one there. Nah, the other parallel line, this one, and this one, the left side and the right side of the ruler is also parallel line. Nah, mostly parallel line rectangle. Nah, rectangle have two parallel line. Upside like this. If I draw a rectangle or square, it has two parallel line. Which one is it? The upside and downside. This is one parallel line, and the other, the left side and the right side. It is parallel line each other. Nah, you can see also the parallel line in the object, in the shapes. For example, this one, and this one is parallel line each other. Which one again? This one and this one is also parallel line each other. How about this one? If this one and this one, is it parallel line or not? It's not parallel line because they are meet in this point. So that it is not parallel line. Remember, parallel line is never getting meet each other. You can see also this one and this one is one example of parallel line because if you extend it, it will be never getting meet each other. You can see also around you, the thing around you, like your book, upside and downside of your book, it is parallel line also because they will never getting meet. Okay, so mostly parallel line, yeah, we can see it in the shape rectangle or square or the other shape. Just remember, parallel line is the line if you extended them, if it is never getting meet each other. Okay, now you have the task to do. Number 1, stroke number 4. Number 1, stroke number 4. Which one is it? The parallel line. Number 1, are the pairs of line parallel each other? You just needed to say yes or no. Yes or no. And then number 2, name 2 pairs parallel line. Remember, line is consists by 2 number ya. 2 number, 2 letter A and B. Which one is A and B? A and B is this one. D and C is this one. A and D is this one. And B and C this one. Oke, ingat garis itu selalu terdiri dari 2 huruf A and B. A and D, B and C, and so on. Now, for number 3, you just need to complete which line is parallel to each other. Number 4, find out the parallel line in object. You can determine which one in parallel line is this. In this shape. Remark it. Okay? Alright. I think that's all about parallel line. I hope you get it, the explanation. If you are still confusing, you can still contact Ustazah. Thank you so much. See you in the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.